yeah, we've got
Start us up.
3 surprises for you guys. Who wants to go first? You want to go first? All right, come over here.
Go to your room. He knows which one it is.
Oh, you know which one it is already? All right, go on in, buddy. What do you think? You want to try it out?
It's cool.
Yeah.
I like to play big fun.
I'd say give it a good jump, but the fan's right over you, so I don't want to.
I'm not, because I'm going to hit that.
Yeah.
Woo!
My 2 favorite colors.
It is. That's what's up. Love it. Well, this is your new room and your new bed. You excited?
Yes.
Cool.
Very cool. All right, who's next? Go for it, buddy. You know where you're going.